Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for an Amazon account. First, navigate to the Amazon website or launch the Amazon app on your device. Look for the Accounts and Lists option, usually found near the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Start here to initiate the account creation. Then, simply select Create Your Amazon Account to move to the next step. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to begin. Now it's time to input your personal information. You'll need to enter your full name in the first box provided. Next, you have the option to use either a valid email address or a mobile phone number for your account. Be sure to choose one you can easily access for verification. Finally, create a secure password. Aim for at least 6 characters, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. Remember, a strong password keeps your account safe. After entering your details, Amazon will send a one-time password, or OTP, to the email address or phone number you provided. This 6-digit code is crucial for verifying your identity. Check your inbox or messages for this code, then carefully enter it into the verification field on the Amazon website or app. Once you've entered the correct OTP, confirm your account. This step ensures your account is secure and linked to you, preventing unauthorized access. Congratulations! Your Amazon account is now fully set up and ready for you to explore. You can immediately start browsing millions of products, from electronics to books, and access digital content like movies and music. Don't forget to check out the various services Amazon offers. If you're interested in faster shipping, exclusive deals, and streaming content, consider signing up for Amazon Prime. It offers a 30-day free trial, allowing you to experience its full range of benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.